Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Right now we have the Radio Eva 1 Asuka. As you can tell, here she is. Here's the box. Here's the box. Here she is. This is what the original design of the that inspired the figure set. There's a full, very sleek. Hobby Max is the producer. Radio Eva. So yeah, I went and bought most of the Radio Evas series one. I'm waiting for a couple of re-releases, and copy most of two. Then three's coming out too, and I might cop them. So let's open this. Interesting stickers on three sides only. I got this off Tokyo Otaku, I believe, for like 100 something. Yeah, these figures are not that expensive, and I think they're 1/7 scales or 1/8. I don't remember. Yeah, we'll see. So the box has this weird, not weird, but cool thing to pull out. Oh my god, it's so cool. I really like this box. Unique. Everything inside the box. But it has to slide. Yep. And you can take it out. Oh my god, this is so cool. The shoebox. Inside. And you obviously got relief instructions. And I can't read Chinese though. Oh, so kind of hard. Okay, put that back inside. Oh my god, this tape is annoying. Whatever. Alright. So we're just gonna leave this here and put that down there. Right now we have Asuka herself in the plastic. Got this part. Oh my god. This way. There we go. This one. This one. One. What else? Oh, I'm missing this one. Hard to see. Hard to see. There we go. So you can see it. Hopefully you can see. This the mold has like a Radio Eva logo. Okay. There's additional okay, plastic. Oh. Ooh, drippy face. This in the box. Yeah. Asuka. Fan favorite Evangelion character. Let's get the plastic off her hair. Ooh. Ooh, oh my god. Oh my god. Look at these sneakers. Love her socks. Sculpting is not bad, not bad. Really love the sculpting on her. The creases on the shirt, of course the jacket. Got the zipper. Oh my god, you You see, it's like serrated. So a lot of attention to detail. The paint. A little sneak peek. But let's see. Paint is good. She got a little pin with the little doll. Doll that her mom gave her. Focus. Oh, my camera's not gonna focus. There we go. And the face is not bad. Pretty neutral expression, or yeah. Only thing the sculpting I don't like is right here where the sleeve is. It's like not distinct. It's like into the shirt, if you can see. And her hair, the front is fine. The back looks prize figure quality of sculpting, but I don't really mind because it's ultimately like a really cheap figure. Yeah, really cheap. Ooh, okay. I thought the base was kind of plain, but you can see it's like glossy, and it's like some kind of acrylic with the Radio Eva logos etched in. Alright. Goes into her shoe. Don't break. Oh my god. Don't break. Let's see if we can. Doesn't really show the instruction. I don't know which way. This way or the other way? It's a square peg. Just need to add force to it because I don't really want to damage it too much. Okay, just a little force was needed. I don't want to break it. Yeah, so this is Asuka with the base on. Very nice. Very happy with the product. Can't wait for the other Series 1 to come in. And also Series 2 to come in. I think it comes out. The Asuka comes out this month. The Radio Eva 2. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune into another video. See you guys next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe.